5 tips for healthy eating during work from home. Hey, this is nutritionist Sapna. I train individuals and corporates regarding healthy diet and maintaining a balanced lifestyle on various online as well as offline forums. Tip number 1. Focus on real food. Balanced and nutritious food makes us more productive. It keeps us full for a longer period of time. We need to understand that whatever we eat directly impacts our mood as well as energy levels. We need to focus more on fibers, proteins, healthy fats, vegetables and fruits. Tip number 2. Drink plenty of water. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and headache, which are both not good for your productivity. Keep water bottles handy at your workstation or wherever you are working at home, and the chances are really high that you will end up drinking at least 2 or 3 liters of water this way. You can have buttermilk, lemon water, jeera water or even barley water to fulfill this daily requirement of 3 liters of water. Tip number 3. Say no to caffeine. Having access to n number of coffee mugs in a day might sound like a very good idea, but it actually is not. Having too much of caffeine can lead to fatigue and anxiety, both of which are never good and especially not at all good when you are trying to work and be productive. Try replacing your cups of coffees and teas with chamomile tea, green tea, jeera water or simply a glass of lemon water. Tip number 4. Don't buy junk food. Stocking your fridge or your pantry with a lot of junk is not at all a good idea. Try not to indulge in them, especially the ones which can actually trigger a binge for you. Out of sight, out of mind. Tip number 5. When you eat, just eat. You might be tempted to work even during the lunch break now that your co-workers are not physically present. But please do not do that. Distracted feeding can usually lead to overfeeding and it does not even give you a feeling of satisfaction. Instead, take a few minutes out, go enjoy your lunch, and this will even make you feel better the rest of the day. So you see, these are just a few tips which are definitely going to help you. Apart from this, we have come up with a customized online workshop especially for professionals who are working from home and finding it very difficult to maintain a healthy lifestyle and eat healthy. Connect me to your HR or share your contact details below to know more about my online workshop and I shall get back to you. And for regular health and diet tips, you can always follow me on YouTube and Instagram. Until next time, stay healthy and bye-bye.